Latest research and development. 1. Existing drugs combine to fight world's most common liver disease. Drug repurposing offers a promising and cost-effective strategy for developing new treatments. 2. Parkinson's trigger, seen directly in the human brain for the first time. A groundbreaking imaging technique has, for the first time, made the invisible visible. 3. Scientists discover a protein that literally punches holes in the heart after a heart attack. RLME from immune cells disrupts heart rhythm after heart attacks. Blocking it may improve survival. 4. Colossal 12,000-year-old rock art reveals forgotten human culture in ancient Arabia. Monumental rock art in Arabia reveals how ancient communities survived, thrived, and expressed identity in a once forbidding desert landscape. 5. Frozen in time, 112 million-year-old insects found in Ecuadorian amber. Amber from Ecuador has revealed 112 million-year-old insects and plants, offering a rare glimpse into Gondwana's ancient forests. 6. Surpassing thermodynamic limits, quantum energy harvesters exceed Carnot efficiency. Researchers have discovered a method to surpass traditional thermodynamic limits in converting waste heat into electricity. 7. A mile-deep detector hints at the universe's darkest secret. Deep beneath South Dakota, scientists are closing in on one of the greatest mysteries in the universe, the true nature of dark matter. 8. Cambridge scientists unlock century-old quantum secret that could revolutionize solar power. Cambridge scientists have uncovered a hidden quantum mechanism in an organic semiconductor that could revolutionize solar energy. 9. How a memory-killing protein could help defeat cancer. Scientists have found that a protein tied to Alzheimer's disease may actually strengthen the immune system's fight against cancer. 10. AI spots hidden signs of disease before symptoms appear. Researchers suggest that examining the inner workings of cells more closely could help physicians detect diseases earlier and more accurately match patients with effective therapies. 11. 167 million-year-old lizard with snake-like jaws puzzles scientists. Scientists have discovered a strange Jurassic lizard on Scotland's Isle of Skye that's blurring the boundaries between snakes and lizards. 12. MIT scientists unlock a new level of precision in gene editing. MIT researchers have dramatically lowered the error rate of prime editing, a technique with promise for treating numerous genetic disorders. 13. Scientists deliberately add defects to graphene, unlocking new powers. Scientists grew defective graphene using azapirine, making it more useful for sensors and semiconductors. The defects alter how the material interacts with other substances. 14. Can time itself form a crystal? New research says yes, in a surprising way. Scientists at TU Wien, Vienna, report that an exotic quantum phenomenon appears under conditions where it would not normally be expected. 15. This vitamin B3 supplement could cut your skin cancer risk by up to 54%. A new large-scale study has found that nicotinamide, a common vitamin B3 supplement, may significantly reduce the risk of skin cancer recurrence. Thanks for watching this video.